Morning. Uh, this is Bella, a Yorkie Poo. This is our dog, a really, really good dog. Except when, you know, she sees some other dogs that she gets kind of jealous and would start growling. But later she gets better and. So yes, I'm taking her for a walk because although we have a backyard for her to play, but she loves to like go for a walk, sniff a little bit, and yeah, I'm using a different leash. She needs like a harness, something that you put on the neck. Harness is like supports her neck, so she's not pulling the leash and won't hurt her neck. So, but it was in Papa's car. She loves to sniff this. Ew, there's another dog pee there. So yeah. Ew, Bella. It's garbage day today, so come here. So this is look, this is our gumamela. We call it gumamela in the Philippines. In America, they call it hibiscus. I think it's the scientific name. Look how huge. Oh my god. This is like the giant size. I mean, yeah. It's as big as my face. Ang laki. This is gumamela here. They have smaller ones though, but we never thought this would be as big as this. So, yep. Ain't they pretty? So Bella, Mama's not walking? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, this is a short video for you. And I hope you can subscribe and click like, or maybe you can share my video. Uh, this is Aling Maria, all around in America. Thank you. Hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Bye-bye.